So what we do here is offer no crack options for aligning the joint. We use a couple of different instruments that are gentle, and we also do mobilization, which is a correction of a joint gently while the patient is in motion. So the patient either flex forward or bends backward, and the doctor will apply a gentle force in a direction to gently drive that joint into place. A lot of the patients that we see here suffer from failed surgery, or they have significant conditions like grade 2 or 3 spondylolisthesis, or they're just in severe pain and they can't handle an adjustment. So in those extreme severe cases, we have an alternative to the crack. Arizona Pain and Posture offers a source for getting that joint into alignment, relieving your pain, and improving your motion without that risk of injury or irritation.